Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Few cars define American automotive excess and elegance like this one. With sky-high fins, glimmering chrome, and a presence that turns every head on the boulevard, this is the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible, the undisputed king of 1950s luxury. Exterior. The 1959 Eldorado Biarritz Convertible is perhaps most famous for its jaw-dropping exterior, a design that took Cadillac's "bigger is better" philosophy to its most glorious extreme. It featured iconic tailfins soaring nearly 42 inches high, the tallest ever put on a production car. Bullet-style taillights were nestled beneath those legendary fins. The enormous egg crate grille and twin bullet bumpers commanded attention, while chrome stretched across nearly every surface of the car, from bumpers to trim to window surrounds. It came with a convertible top made of high-quality fabric, fully retractable at the touch of a button. Wide white-wall tires wrapped around gleaming saber-spoke aluminum wheels completed the extravagant look. It stretched over 225 inches long and weighed around 5,000 pounds, but every inch of it screamed opulence. The Eldorado wasn't just a car, it was a rolling piece of art. Interior. Step inside the 1959 Eldorado Biarritz, and you're instantly transported to a time when the interior of a car felt more like a luxury lounge than a cockpit. It came with 6-way power-adjustable leather seats as standard. Thick, deep pile carpeting lay underfoot. The massive dashboard was lined with polished aluminum and chrome accents. Technology for the era was impressive. Cadillac's Autronic Eye automatically dimmed your headlights for oncoming traffic. Power windows, power locks, and a power antenna were all included in the base model. Optional air conditioning was also available, a rare luxury back then. And the factory AM signal-seeking radio, complete with rear speaker controls, delivered smooth sound to match the ride. The attention to detail was astonishing. Everything from the stitching to the instrument layout was crafted to impress, not just the driver, but everyone in the car. Performance. Underneath all that flash, the Eldorado Biarritz wasn't just a showpiece, it had serious muscle for its time. Powered by a 390 cubic inch, or 6.4-liter, V8 engine, it produced 345 horsepower and 435 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 4-speed Hydra-Matic automatic transmission, this car delivered smooth, effortless acceleration. It could go from 0 to 60 in around 10 seconds, not bad for something that weighs as much as a modern pickup. And while it wasn't designed for tight corners or high-speed handling, it offered a ride so smooth it felt like floating on air. Thanks to Cadillac's advanced suspension and heavy sound insulation, the Eldorado Biarritz delivered what they called a jet-smooth ride, and it lived up to the name. The 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible wasn't just a car, it was a cultural statement. A rolling embodiment of post-war American optimism, unrestrained design, and sheer luxury. To summarize, it had one of the most iconic tailfin designs in automotive history. It was loaded with luxury features that were decades ahead of their time. Its V8 engine delivered powerful, silky smooth performance. And today, it's a prized collector's car often valued well into the six figures. Whether you're a fan of classic cars or just appreciate bold design, the 59 Eldorado Biarritz remains one of the most unforgettable vehicles ever built. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this classic car spotlight, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know your favorite year for Cadillac in the comments below. See you in the next ride.